SV's website is a premier, industry-leading resource wholly customized to provide technical data and support access to customers working with RF applications and system designs. Customers immediately engage with our content from the homepage and can decide how to best view SV's product portfolio. While SV has thousands of unique part numbers that can be customized for a specific customer, our website only shows a small percentage of part numbers available for purchase with our distribution partners. This listing of COTS, commercial off-the-shelf products, is easily accessible from the top navigation bar on our site. From here, all of our COTS products are divided into 5 categories: connectors, cable assemblies, adapters, components, and tools. Each of these category menus is further subdivided into additional categories. So, instead of viewing 2,000 products at a time, a customer is presented with just the RF product related to a specific category. Let's, for example, choose PCB connectors. The category results page returns over 200 PCB connectors. Now, based on a customer's specific needs, the left-hand filters can quickly drill down the menu for male, surface mount, or vertical launch connectors that do not require the use of solder. Within seconds, our parametric search narrows the results to just 35 connectors. Once a PCB connector has been selected, that product's landing page indicates how much product is in stock with our distribution partners. Clicking the Buy Now button will navigate you off of SV's website and to our distribution partner for purchase. For those customers who are more familiar with our website and already have a specific part number in mind, I'll quickly share a shortcut to discovering which of our distribution partners are stocking a certain part. In the upper navigation of our website, there is a Check Inventory button, highlighted in our SV blue. Once you click this button, you can search for a specific part number and return results listing product quantity at every available stocking distribution partner. However, when still determining which SV part might best fit your design, I recommend heading to a specific product landing page. These offer a wealth of technical information including data sheets, CAD models, HFSS and CST models, application notes, and more. Detailed electrical, mechanical, and environmental specifications are at the bottom of the page, along with REACH and RoHS compliance certifications and a Contact Us form that immediately routes to a technical sales engineer for a quick response. Another way to effectively search our website is through the New Products tab. All NPIs, New Product Introductions, are grouped in a microsite that quickly summarizes unique features, benefits, and applications on different product lines. The New Products section of the SV website is a good resource to understand the immediate benefits of a product line at a high level. Additional resources like application notes and product explainer videos are also published within an NPI's microsite if available. The New Products section of the site is updated at least once a month. Make sure to bookmark this link and check back frequently. Though we group resources with their product lines in our NPI microsites, we offer an entire virtual library of our application notes, catalogs, videos, and more in our resources section. These links are actively maintained, and many of our resources, like our application notes, are frequently reviewed and updated as new technologies are discovered. Check the rev code in the bottom right-hand corner of an application note to see when it was last reviewed. Though all of the COTS products on SV's website are available through various distribution partners, 2 applications on our site allow a customer to purchase cable assemblies directly from SV. In SV's Rapid Response, a single-port cable assembly builder, a customer can choose between cable types, connector series, and options, determine cable length and extra features like phase delay, and instantly generate a time-stamped data sheet with a unique product number, electrical and mechanical performance specifications, and a bill of materials. Review the pricing, select your quantity, and check out. you'll receive your rapid response order in 10 business days. Our second custom application, Humboldt Multiport Cable Assembly Builder, takes this concept and elevates it to the next level. Humboldt can create custom 2, 4, and 8-port harness cable assemblies. The drag-and-drop builder lets you configure the number of ports, length, cable, or panel mount connectors quickly and intuitively. Once satisfied with your design, click Review and Buy. Similarly to Rapid Response, a datasheet with expected mechanical and electrical performance and a bill of materials is instantly generated. However, in Humboldt, you also have the option to choose an accompanying PCB connector for your solution and add that to the cart. As before, choose the quantity of your order and check out. All Humboldt cable assemblies are shipped within 15 business days. Until now, our tour of SV's website has focused solely on SV's resources available for our products. However, SV can produce many custom solutions unavailable as COTS items on our site. In our capabilities section, we present these. Each landing page, like in our Converge RF cable assembly capability, details a common RF engineering problem and SV's innovative solution. You can expect to find information on these pages in the form of product videos, features and benefits, applications, downloadable resources, and even related COTS products. These pages also offer a Speak with an Expert call to action button that links to a pre-populated Contact Us form. Our website has been designed to give you access to our products and solutions, but most of all to our team. Aside from the numerous opportunities to contact us through form submissions, we also detail all of our sales representatives and the territories they cover. Our goal is to be as transparent as possible while quickly responding to any customer inquiry. SV prides itself on our customer service and the technical quality of our responses. We even have a live chat that is easily accessed on our site's bottom right-hand corner. This chat is actively reviewed, and even if a chat is not answered live, a technical support specialist will follow up with every missed chat offline via email. That wraps up our tour of SV Microwave's website. Do you have any additional questions? Please email marketing@svmicro.com. Thank you.